At night, when the world grows quiet, a shadow begins to move across the sky. Not quite a bird, not quite something you recognize. It glides silently above houses, circling, watching, then disappearing into the darkness. For generations, many people across Africa have whispered about this strange creature. Some say when it flies around your home at night, it may not just be an animal. Some even believe it could be a messenger of witchcraft, a creature sent to watch, to disturb, or to bring misfortune. They call it something unsettling, half bird, half devil. But what exactly is this mysterious animal? Today, we explore one of the most misunderstood creatures of the night, the bat. When darkness falls, bats quietly emerge from caves, trees, and rooftops. They fly swiftly through the night air, darting suddenly in different directions. Sometimes they circle above houses. Sometimes they gather in trees near homes. And sometimes they hang silently from the roofs of buildings. For many communities across Africa, this behavior has inspired powerful and mysterious myths. Some elders say when a bat enters your house at night, it could be a sign that someone practicing witchcraft has sent it. Others believe when bats constantly move around a compound, it may mean someone is trying to block the success of the family living there. And in certain traditions, if bats begin living in your roof or gathering around your home, some people see it as a warning of misfortune. To them, the bat is not just an animal. It is a visitor from the world of shadows. But part of the reason bats became surrounded by such stories is because they truly are unusual creatures. They fly like birds, yet they are not birds at all. Bats are mammals, just like humans. Their wings are actually long fingers, covered by thin skin. And instead of relying on eyesight in the darkness, bats use an extraordinary ability called echolocation. They send out tiny sound waves that bounce off objects around them. From those echoes, they can map the world in complete darkness. To ancient observers, this ability must have seemed almost magical. Imagine watching a creature fly effortlessly through the night, never crashing, never missing its path. It would certainly feel mysterious. And then there is the way bats sleep, upside down, hanging silently in caves, trees, and rooftops. For many people long ago, this strange posture made them appear less like ordinary animals and more like creatures from another world. But here is the fascinating truth. Despite the fear and myths surrounding them, bats are actually some of nature's most important helpers. Every night, they eat thousands of insects, including mosquitoes that spread disease. Some bats pollinate flowers. Others help forests grow by spreading seeds across vast landscapes. So perhaps the bat is not half devil after all. Perhaps it is simply one of nature's most misunderstood survivors. A creature that has mastered the darkness and turned the night into its kingdom.